In this video, I will tell you about indigo powder, how we can dye our hair using indigo powder. Here I am using only indigo powder and water to make the paste, and I am using Hina Veda indigo powder, and I have made a review on that. You can check the video on my channel. Now this indigo powder is of high quality and it has very fine paste. It is very fine powder, so it doesn't give us problem to stick to your hair. So this indigo powder, you can take indigo powder as needed depending upon your length, and we need to make the paste with lukewarm water. So after making the paste, you need to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, and it takes at least 10 minutes to start oxidizing its color. So you need to keep it covered with plastic. And this Hina Veda indigo powder is very nice and it has good quality, so you can check the link below in the description box to purchase this indigo powder. Now you need to understand the science behind this indigo powder. This indigo powder is a powder of indigo leaves and it gives us blue color. And when you will apply this blue color on white hair, then it will give you blue color. So what you can do is you can start doing two-step process which I have shared in my channel, and to maintain the color you need to repeat Hina packs more regular than this two-step process. Now here I am using Hina process. I use Hina every now and then after 1 week or 2 weeks, and so that my hairs look dark brown. And whenever there is do root touch up, then I need something which convert these red or orange color hair to black color. So you can see that this orange color means red or orange color, when mixes with blue color it gives us black color. And if you apply this indigo on black color, it will not give you any color. On white color, it will give you some blue tint, and on red or orange color, it will give you dark black color. So this is how I touch up my roots. So I use Hina more regular, and whenever you need to touch up, you need to have dark black color, then you can use indigo individually. So like this you can part your hair and you can apply the indigo paste on the hair layer by layer, and I'm doing it from roots, and I will not apply it on the full length. I'm doing here a root touch up, so I will do only for the roots and a little bit of on the hair length. So this is the procedure how we can cover our gray hair using Hina and indigo. And in this I am applying only indigo, and I am regular with Hina packs at least 15 days. Once in a 15 days you should apply indigo paste, so that it can give you nourishment as well as it will give you the dark brown shade. I have so many packs on dark brown shade, so I used to make it, and I always post it. See, I did root touch up, and after that I made a bun at the back side, and here comes the shower cap. Some people think that we will not put shower cap and indigo powder will give us good color, but you know the shower cap has its own science when it is covered the temperature, which helps indigo to release. And if you feel that using shower cap your hair are sweating, or you think that it will drip here and there, then you can do one thing. You can make a hole in the shower cap so that air will pass through and it will not dry up, as well as it will not drip from your ear or neck or anywhere. So covering it with shower cap is an important step here. Cover it with shower cap and keep it for at least 1 to 1.5, means 60 minutes to 90 minutes. So after that you will need to rinse it with normal water only, and in after rinsing you will see that your color is not that much black, but this oxidizes means after rinsing your hair will look like dark black, but after 2 days it will oxidize more and it will give you dark black color within 2 days. So after washing it, at least you need to keep it for 24 hours to 48 hours, and after that you can do oiling and use mild shampoo and use homemade hair oil so that the indigo color should not fade and it will long last. So this is how I use indigo to root touch up, and this is how I use indigo. I also use it in 2-step, 1-step, and this kind of root touch up. So I thought it is helpful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and click the subscribe button. Also press the bell button so that you can get notifications for videos.